What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Micron technology guys. So I'll take you over an update on my position, and as you know I have been carrying a short play on this. Have I booked all the profits or am I still carrying some of the position, and what are the next areas I'm watching for sizing out more, or if I just continue to keep holding and until what levels, right? And if as a bull, if you want to be a bull right now on Micron, like what do you want to see right now first on this thing, at what levels before this thing start to turn bullish? So I'll cover both scenarios very quickly. I just want to let you know that right now we are on the bear side fully. Like I'm not seeing right now any price structure to the upside, but let's go through the video. Let's talk about all of that. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. And throughout this video, you will see a lot of the tools that I use for my day trading for all the purposes, even in the videos here. If you need access to my tools, links to my tools are in the description below of this video, okay? So Micron, guys, real quick, if you want to know about a bit more background on how I entered this position, I would highly suggest you go and check out my videos on my channel on Micron. Just load that playlist. But real quick, let's go to the 4 hours interval. And so once this trend line broke, right, and then I had a retest of this the trend line to the top, I was able to get into the short position. More precise information, I would suggest just go to my channel and type in the search Micron, right? Don't forget to check out NVIDIA, this kaboom, okay? But go to, just type in Micron and you will get to these, all the videos I have done on Micron. You can go to the playlist tab here as well and just load Micron. I categorize my stocks based off of, ticker, so that you can just follow the sequence as well of the playlist if you like. So speaking of here, this is in the downtrend, right? Been in the downtrend, and I have been carrying this short position. I have been updating the limit to the lower levels as the price is confirming me more and more downside, right? So, and this was another target I was saying you can, because this is the previous pivot point after the breakout and the demand zone, that at least some I would like to take partial profits out here as well. So that's what I did. However, I'm still in the position. I'm not fully out of it. I'm still carrying this short position. So, but you got my idea, right? Like why I entered in this short position, because of this supply zone setting up. This is 4 hours interval, rejection of the trend line as well after breaking this. And then we have been constantly rejecting at this supply zone. So I have been holding my short position here. So, and I give all these plays before these plays are even developing or I even take. I go ahead and put a play here a day in advance. So it's important for you to check out my videos if you are interested to know what I'm doing. But again, this is just I'm sharing with you guys as an educational advice. My intent is that to teach you how to trade, what I'm looking for. Okay, you go and do your own decisions. That completely up to you. So now let's go to the hourly interval real quick. And so what I'm seeing is a complete free fall. I'm not seeing a single sign of an uptrend right now. We are in the downtrend. And so for those reasons, I want to keep holding this position at least down to the level of $102 or $101 pretty much. If Micron wants to become bullish where it is right now, if you say, guys, oh, well, Junior Trader, what if next week we want to see it become bullish? Well, that would be, it has to first recapture and close above $110 or $111. Then we can say, oh, okay, price structure might start to at least show some sign of change, but otherwise, no. Intraday long, right now I would avoid trading it intraday long, but 107 and above might be a little bit of a scalp to the upside, but right now it's such in a downfall that I'm not seeing any upside on this thing. Intraday it can be traded. I have my day trading levels, plus you can use those, but right now I would expect this, any rebound on this eventually will give another short position, and then we'll see if the structure starts to develop for any of the upside. So what is my next target that I'm watching? So first of all, the potential levels, well, the next play area I'm watching is like next part of my position I'm carrying to the short play all the way down to this almost close to 50 days moving average. That's where I'll take out some more. I'm not going to fully get out because this is where, I think we have much more room to the downside. We might be coming lower to $90 as well. I think we will. It may not happen right away. That's why I want to take some partial profits out at 50 days moving average. What may happen is some bounce may come here at 50 days moving average, but then it might reject again either at $107 or somewhere up there. right? So, and then we might come down to $90 as well. I think we will catch eventually 200 days moving average now. So if you are a buyer on this, guys, I would say the level you can watch is $101, but that will be mostly like a little bit of a long play, in my opinion. I think we have much more downside to come. The next level is $90 is what you are watching, and then the 200 days moving average. But those, I would say right now the trend, the direction is not to the upside. So avoid trading long right now. In my opinion, rebounds will be shorted on this. The play is already in play. I think if you are trying to enter short right now, it's already a little bit late. You would be better off waiting for a rebound. You can go and do what you want to do, but I personally, if you have been seeing my videos, even if up here, if I even miss a move by one level, I try to wait for a rebound, right? And if I miss the play, I miss the play. But yes, though I think it will continue lower, but the chances of some rebounds are also there. So better entries could be in the rebound. Other strategy could, again, I think it's already too late to open a new position on this. But the one thing can be looked at is a potential rebounds might be a place of re-entry, but you have to see that on the hourly interval that if it rebounds, you want to see a rejection at 20 and 50 moving average, and then it can be played to the downside. But have a stop loss regardless. I take all the positions with the stop losses, and but yeah, that's what I'm looking at. It has more room to fall in my opinion eventually. But as you know, I'm taking partial profits out. I want to take you to the weekly interval as well real quick on Micron here. So something important I want to show you is you can see these previous two pivots, right over here. Now these two pivots, I'm not too worried about it, but the thing is that as a bull, guys, the options are very limited, as even though some bullish sentiment may come at this level, overall market is selling off. Like, don't buy right now, just my opinion, because once we start to lose this $100 level and $90 level, we have already lost the previous pivots. And this usually how these things ends is like some rebounds may come through the cycles and it will continue to head lower and lower. So guys, the move has happened in my opinion. Now is a time of cool off. I can show you QQQ and SPY as well, how they have been just selling off. This is weekly QQQ. Let's go to the daily. But QQ is selling off, SPY is selling off. When whole market is selling off, it's not the time to buy the dip unless the price structure starts to show us some confirmation. And I'll talk about that once that happens, but right now, no. All right. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to provide most importantly an update and also what my opinion with the price actions, the levels to watch for any potential more plays. And even though again like these levels, I would suggest trade it as swing bullish if you want to, like couple of days of bullish plays. If price action shows, again, you have to see the price structure and price action as a support, and the structures of double bottom or inverted head and shoulder, all those sort for a little bit of upside. But most likely it's just those will be very feeble rebounds, and this thing will continue lower much more, in my opinion, just my opinion. I'm already taking profits throughout the journey. So the best play was up here that I already am in. So, and I gave all these, I talked about all these things before they were about to even happen. So, okay, just educational advice here, nothing more than that. Do your own thing. And guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.